In this video, I will show you how you can find all the saved passwords on any Samsung tablet. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just search this. Now from here, just select Passwords, Passkeys, and Autofill. Now just open the Password, Passkeys, and Autofill settings. And from here, just select the service provider which you're using. Now I only have the option for Google, but some people might also have the option for Samsung Pass. And if they're using Samsung Pass, just open Samsung Pass. But since we are using Google, just select Google. Now on this page, just tap on Google Password Manager. And on this page, you will find all the passwords which are saved on your tablet. Now if I tap on Google, now just enter your lock screen PIN or pattern. And over here, you will find the passwords of your Google account saved on this email. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.